Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Today is the review of CoursEmpire. Review of CoursEmpire. This is to create your empire of courses. Now, if you know anything about the info product learning online, this is a gold mine, guys. This is amazing that this product that they just put out is what I've been looking for a really long time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the demo, and then we're going to go through the front page, and I'm going to show you the first upsell because I think the first upsell is really important. And then there's other upsells, and I'll show you how to get a discount on it. And I'm going to show you my bonus page. I really went to town working on this bonus page for you. It's going to look different than my other bonus pages. I put a lot more into it, so you're going to really get some really super valuable products in the bonus page that's going to just help you immensely. Okay, first off, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit like, and guys, please leave a comment for me. My channel needs more comments, and if you could leave a comment, say, hey Glenn, great job, thank you so much, and anybody who leaves a comment, I will put into a draw for a 25 bonus page package, which is going to be really cool. You're going to be able to get this all these bonus pages that you're just going to be able to use to give away as you promote your affiliate products, or maybe promote your course that you're going to make in CoursEmpire, and then you'll be able to use these bonuses. So first off, let's watch the demo, and then we'll go over and then we'll take a look at the bonus page, the front end, and then the OTO that I think you should get into. I don't need to go through the back office because you're going to see it in the demo. So it's going to be very quick. And then on my bonus page will be the demo video again if you want to watch it again. All right, so here we go. I'll be right back.
Welcome to CoursEmpire. We're going to go over the interface. So let's go ahead and sign in and get started. When the app first opens, it opens to your dashboard. You'll see all of the data here in this main panel. We've got total sales, students, visits, and gross revenue. Here we've got sales and views data. Next is the video drive. It's just like any other file explorer you may be used to. So you'll see that folders on the left and the selected contents here in the middle. So if I select a folder, the contents in the middle here will change accordingly. I can, of course, jump into different subfolders and find various content. You have a variety of actions that you can take on any of the content. So you've got download and delete. You can also add new subfolder or upload your video file. The next tab is an interactive funnel video. And this is a really neat feature where you can take your viewers on a choose-your-own-adventure video tour their video content. So we have got some action here: edit funnel, preview, share, embed code, and delete. Let's click on this one, and you'll get a better idea of what this is all about. So here we already have a funnel of 3 videos. We can also add more by easily dragging videos to this area. Now let's go ahead and edit this video to add some interactions. You can change the appearance colors of the player. So here's a standard one, but you can go here, and you can change the look of the video player itself. There's all kinds of different features that you can control by making adjustments in this video player settings section. As you can see, you have a whole bunch of control over it. Next settings is the video control. Here appears at the top. You can turn it to autoplay, so the video will automatically start playing when the person lands on that page. Likewise, you can control what happens at the end of the video. So when the video ends, is it just going to pause on that last frame? Is it going to reset to your thumbnail? Isn't going to loop over and over? Or will it take them to a brand new website? If so, you can specify what that website URL is. So let's take a look at thumbnail. Thumbnail is the image that displays when the video is not playing. So you can accept the default, or you can use a frame from the video, and you just scroll through the video until you find a frame that you like for your thumbnail. And you just control it by using the little slider to define when that video starts. Optionally, you can use a custom image. Simply upload your image that you want it to be, or choose from stock images with millions of pictures to choose from. You can add chapters to longer videos, so viewers can immediately jump to the content they most want to watch. This features allow them to play video lessons where they last left off, so they can quickly resume learning. Chapters means break up your video into sections. These chapters can help viewers by giving more info and context by allowing them to re-watch different parts of the video. You have various interactions such as clicks to action buttons with clickable links, so you can direct traffic to your website simply by clicking a button in the video. There's also annotation text, images, logo, opt-in forms, timer, HTML code, map, YouTube video, and social share button. And all of this interaction are controlled right here. It is created and edited and managed right here. You can change anything you want. So let's take a look here. You can set the action for the button. What happened when I click on the button? You can choose to do nothing or jump to another video, download file, or open URL. You can also change text color, background color, text style, border style, and animations. A big part of finding success with email marketing is creating an effective opt-in form that visitors are drawn to and that compels them to subscribe. CoursEmpire lets you to create amazing opt-in form easily and to connect them to your favorite autoresponder. You can choose from a list of 10 best autoresponders. Now let's go back to the funnel creator. Let's take a look. So we have 5 video, and we are going to branch theme using the superposer of video funnel creator. The branching scenario is a flexible content type that enables authors to present a variety of rich interactive content and choices to learners. Learners make choices that determine the content they will see. So let's go ahead next and edit this video. I'll go ahead and fast forward until it presents us with the option. So this is my options. I have buttons choice, so what am I interested in? I'm interested in health and fitness, and it takes me to separate video about health and fitness. So this section here represents the start video, and these are the buttons that fitness took me to this video. So this is very, very powerful. You can help your viewers to choose their own adventure in the web video and play video connection. Click on the plus sign, and then just draw the connection. Next up, you've got the courses, and this is a very powerful feature where you can create courses to sell or to present to various. You'll notice that we have a couple here already created in this account. Let's go ahead and edit this one. Here, as you can see, there's an introduction and a series of introductory videos, then another section, and some more lessons. This is a very extensive course. And it's all controlled right here. It is created and edited and managed right here. Now let's go back and create new empty course. Over here, create new course. Let's give it a name and description. Click Create Course. So here we are in the main course interface. You're going to want to start over here by clicking Course. We're going to create several sections here. We're going to create 2 sections. First one is Introduction, and then Finding a Product section. So I'll do that real quick. That's my first section. Second one. You can add as many sections as you need. Now let's add some lessons to our course. Go over here to the first one where the introduction, and we're going to go ahead and click Add Lesson. Now, I want to give it a name. And then I want to select the video. So, I already have it stored in the video drive. So you'll notice how these are nicely organized. The videos are stored in the video drive, and they're individual folders, one folder for each module. So, when I'm creating my courses, super easy to find the right ones here. So keep this in mind when you're uploading videos, how you might want to organize them in your video drive. So now that we have some of the course laid out, let's go ahead and edit our lesson video and add interactions. Start by clicking Player Settings and making any adjustments that you want to the player, so its appearance, what controls you want showing its thumbnail. Next we are going to customize our pages. We have here sales page, order page, thank you page, about us page, and terms and condition page. Let's go ahead and change the sales page. As you see here, you can change everything in this template: texts, colors, images, video, backgrounds. You can change the font size, also you can add images or videos. Next we have got orders, manage students. Branding settings. Here you can add your logo and icon. And then finally, here we have. And this is a great feature where you can look and see the engagement that you're getting on the videos that you have posted here. So, how are people engaging with it? How many plays? What's the play rate? How many hours a week plays us? And then you can even go further to see it in greater detail to traffic time. Heat maps by geography devices like browsers.
All right, guys, there's a bit of black screen on the end there. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I will. That was a good. It was a good demo if you understand course software. Like I have some course software that can't do anything like that. So that's something that you might want to wrap your head around. Hey, if you pick this up, message me. I'll go through it with you so you understand exactly how powerful those tools are, because he didn't do it justice. Being able to put buttons right on a video in a course or a call to action, an opt-in form, that is so powerful, guys. That's amazing. You can't go into a course creator like a Udemy or something like that, and or Teachable, or you can't do that if you put your course up there and you lose all the money. All right, so first off, let's jump over to my bonus page so I can show you guys what you're going to be getting. So basically, I'm still working on it, guys, but this is going to be it. Ooh, scroll down, check out the new the new headline there. Da-da. Looks a little bit just brought it up a notch. So the first one's going to be the YT Bucks, which is an amazing course. This is a $297 value. You get the full course. This is YT Bucks. This is exhaustive training on how to improve your affiliate marketing business with YouTube. Starting point. You're going to get the full version of TweetX, which is going to show you. I love Twitter, guys. I get a ton of business from Twitter. Use this, learn how to use this. It also does bonus page creator software. You're going to get the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is another great course that has helped me amazingly. So how to find and monetize free buyer traffic, which is a great one. Plus, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. They've got some different vendor bonus levels in there, so you're going to get all the vendor bonuses, and then I'm going to throw in some unannounced ones in there. So you definitely want to be picking it up from my link. Let's go over to the front page. So it's going to have a lot of sales stuff on it, guys, but the main thing I want to show you is, you know, when you're paying for Kajabi, which is $159 a month, or Podia or Teachable, you're paying for these platforms. Well, this is a one-time fee, guys, and it's less, like, I think it's starting at $30 today. So you definitely want to pick it up. You get unlimited. Okay, so this is not in fact true here, because you get 100 on the very front end offer, and you get 50 students per class, but you do get unlimited video hosting. So let's go down and you can see exactly what you're going to pick up. So the commercial license is, like I said, 100 courses, 50 students, 50 done for you courses. So they've already put in 50 courses that you can just rebrand, right? Like they showed you, you'd put a little bit of you talking on the head. Like basically, guys, these are there's so much here. You just basically like, hey, it's Glenn. We're going to jump into the first module here, and here we go, and click. It's done for you. The video takes over, and then you, at the end of it, it's like, great, that was awesome. Click here for the next video, or go on to the next course, or whatever it is, and then you'll make those courses your own, even if there's another instructor talking over it. Fully hosted sales pages, payment integration, branding, course ready to use templates, and you can get 10,000 months. So 10,000 visitors monthly. Oh, sorry. So the video drive. So The video funnel, you can have 50 funnels. The video drive is unlimited. So that is $29, guys. I think there might be a discount roll off. I have to check, but remember always, hey, this is, I get a thumbs for this. Go up to leave the page and you'll get a prompt to save some money on that. So that is the first one, what you're going to get. The first upsell though, guys, is $67. And this is which it basically unlocks everything, guys. It's unlimited. You get unlimited students, unlimited videos, unlimited sales pages, unlimited storage. So if you're going to go for an OTO, grab this OTO. Definitely, that is definitely worth it. If you guys are serious, like I know I was just talking to. Let me jump on here. I was just talking to one of my. A person in another program that I'm in. Oh, if you want to check out my number one producing income business, it's right below here. I was talking to someone who's in there, and they're so incredibly shy, they don't want to go on camera. And I said, well, you have to get over that. If you're going to do this business, you need to step up and be an entrepreneur. Now, I know some people have a real hard time getting in front of the camera. You guys can make videos without being in front of the camera. You get a good microphone, you set it up just like I did. Like when the video's playing, you don't even have to have your thumbnail in the corner like I do. That's just my personal branding. You can just be a voice over the top. And if you don't like your voice, guys, you can go hire someone on Fiverr to do a voiceover. Or nowadays the AI is so good, you can have AI actually do the voiceover for you. I recommend doing it yourself. It's going to take some time. You're going to get better and better and better. You're going to become the voice of your lessons. So I recommend doing it yourself. And guys, video courses, the education, this is, Tony Robbins said, this is going to be $1 billion a day industry very, very soon. So you want to be part of it. You want to just start creating these courses, and they can be anything. And what I really like about this structure of the course is because you have a video file, or a video vault, you can create a video. Like let's say you have to create a video on how to set up your autoresponder. Well, you only have to do that once, but you may need it in numerous courses. So you would just bring that video in and go, here's my video on setting up an autoresponder, or how do you create a bonus page, or whatever you're teaching, right? Let's say you're gonna go into the knitting world and you're going to teach a ton of stuff about knitting. Well, you're probably gonna have my wife's a knitter, so I know a few terms. You're gonna have it cast on one video. Here's how you cast on. Here's how you cast off. Here's how you do a this stitch, whatever it's a purl or a knit or whatever it is, and you would have those standard, and then you go, okay, now we're going to get into a something, right? And so you've had those standard videos for them, and then you would add your course. So you could start creating courses with just, you'd only have to do like a few of the videos once, and then you do the new ones. So that's what it's all about, guys. Having those interactions within the video is really, really key. Very cool. I'm going to jump into my back office of it, and I will do a full-blown another demo myself of it. So definitely click the link below. If you want to grab it right now, I recommend grabbing this product right away, so you get it for the early bird price. And then message me if you need any help setting it up. I'm here for you. And again, get my bonuses, and you will be very happy. And I will see you. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, hit like. This has been my CoursEmpire review bonus walkthrough, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.